The 2023 MGHS Trophy 1.5 Turbo has a stylish and modern exterior design. Features a large grille, swept-back headlights, and a sloping roof line. LED daytime running lights with fog lights that enhance visibility on road. MGHS is a mid-size SUV that is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged, and it comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, 169 horsepower and 255 Newton-meters of torque, and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The rear of the HS Trophy is characterized by its sloping roof line, LED taillights, and integrated rear spoiler. The rear bumper has a diffuser-like design, with 2 exhaust outlets. Trunk that can be opened and closed with the touch of a button on the key fob or the interior button. The trunk has a capacity of 460 liters, which is enough space for groceries, luggage, or sporting equipment. The trunk also has a power-operated button that can be closed with press on it. The red interior is available in the top-of-the-line exclusive trim level. It features red leather upholstery, red stitching, and a red dashboard accent. The seats are heated and ventilated in the front, and the driver's seat has 10-way power adjustment. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. It is a full-color display that can be customized to show a variety of information. MGHS has a customizable ambient lighting system that allows you to choose from 8 different colors. Sport mode changes the throttle response, steering feel, and transmission shift to more responsive and engaging. It is a fully customizable display that can show a variety of informations. It comes standard with Dual's own automatic climate control. The climate control system also has a number of other features: rear defroster, a pollen filter, and an air ionizer. You can control the climate system using the buttons on the dashboard or the touchscreen infotainment system. It comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also has a built-in navigation system, a reversing camera, and a 10-speaker JBL sound system. MGHS has 3 driving modes: normal mode, eco mode, and sports mode.